This is to change the air filter on a 2013 to 2015 Honda Accord. This is the air box right next to the battery. There's 3 clips holding this down. There's 1, 2, and there's one on the other side right there. I'm not sure if you could tell. And it just pops open afterwards. Just have to slit it through here. And there's the filter. Just change it. I already changed mine, so it's good. Put it in. Push the tabs in together. Push in. Now all the clips should go back in. 1, 2, and 1 down here. 3. That's it. Thanks. 2013 to 2015 Honda Accord, 2.4 cylinder, 4-cylinder engine.